Don't think that you can go into the back here on an Acadia and put your spark plug in. You can slide right through here on your firewall and go right down in there. And there you go. I'm starting to thread it in right now. And that is the center one in the back of the Acadia. So it is possible. There's one 10mm. You take off the coil pack. I'm threading in the spark plug right now. You can wiggle that center coil pack out of there. The other coil pack I already have out over here. Right here, I've already taken this coil pack out for my last spark plug here. And that's nice to have a little bit of extra room to move around there. But as you can see, that spark plug's now tight. It's all very possible. And this is just a picture of what's going on in the back. You have the same clips there, which you don't have to mess with if you don't want to mess with the coil pack. Or you just simply take that 10mm loose on the back, pull that coil pack up and out, and away you go.